What's going on, guys? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains. We are back with another video. So today I am going to go over one of the stocks that I am invested in that I showed you in my last video. It's called ticker symbol LCA, which is Lancadia Holdings. So as I said in my last video, I will leave a link to that down in the description below if you guys want to check that out on what I am holding. I will be talking about each one of the companies that I am holding and why I am holding it. So this video, I will be talking about LCA, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys can, just hit that like button down below, make sure that button turns blue, and also subscribe if you want to see some future videos. I will be talking about my other stocks that I'm holding, and also future holds, potentially future holds. So let's hop right into the video. Alright guys, so hopping right into this video about LCA. As you can see, we got a new background today. I'm actually outside in my backyard, just trying to change up the scenery a little bit in order for these videos to stay kind of interesting, right? Alright, so let's get right into the topic, which is Lancadia Holdings. So Lancadia Holdings is a SPAC, a special purpose acquisition company. Now this is formed, the SPAC is formed to raise money through an IPO for another company. In this case, LCA is the SPAC, and they are raising money for GNOG, which is Golden Nugget Gaming. So the SPACs have no existing business operations or any specific targets they are trying to meet. Investors can be from the general public to well-known private equity funds. So SPACs have a total of 2 years to complete the acquisition, or the funds are returned to the investors if these 2 years are not met by the SPAC. So, getting right into the company. As I said, LCA will become GNOG after the merger. The merger is set to be somewhere in between now and the end of quarter 3, which is ending on September 30th. So, the CEO of Golden Nugget Gaming is Tillman Fertitta. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. He's also CEO of Landry's, which is a restaurant chain, and he is the current owner of the Houston Rockets, for those of you that don't know. So right now, as I said earlier, Golden Nugget Gaming is only in New Jersey as of right now. It's an online gambling service. It's only in New Jersey right now, but they have plans to expand to Pennsylvania and Michigan in 2021, which is next year. So Golden Nugget Gaming actually just released their earnings today on Tillman Tuesday when he is on CNBC, so hopefully he talks about this company, and then LCA will get even popped today. So at the time of making this video, it is about 10 o'clock on Tuesday morning, August 18th, and LCA has been popping so far this morning. Hopefully that run continues, so I'm seeing great potential in this company. So getting a little more into about the company, about Golden Nugget Gaming. They had a net income of $11 million in 2019 and expected revenue of $122 million in 2021. So therefore you see insane amount of growth within this company. So as you guys know, DraftKings recently merged, and that stock popped. It went from, I believe, around $15 or so all the way up to $50 at one point. So that would be a nice gain here if we could get the same thing. DraftKings' current valuation is about $11.5 billion. $11.5 billion. So even if LCA had a better, and right now obviously sports, due to this, everything that's going on, this virus, sports aren't really playing right now. DraftKings is still decently holding up. So Golden Nugget Gaming plans to hopefully surpass DraftKings in the future, as they have real revenue right now. A lot of these SPACs don't have the financials that Golden Nugget Gaming is. So, what is my price target on this? Honestly, I think from merger, I think we could see anything from $25 all the way up to $50. So that's a big difference there, but you never know with the FOMO, which is the fear of missing out, between traders and just the news that we get, this thing could pop. Do I plan on holding this long term? I may. I have to see how much it gets popped after the merger, and potentially how much it can grow from there on. Because usually after the merger, it usually pops off and then it kind of trickles back down, which we have seen with multiple other SPACs in these past couple of years or so. They have really increased the stock price due to the FOMO, the fear of missing out, and just the overall hype of it has really increased the stock price. So I may wind up selling LCA after the merger. I may hold on to it. I think this company has great financials. Would be something to hold on to. So we're going to wrap up this video here. I want to thank you all for watching. This is ticker symbol LCA, one of my biggest holdings in my portfolio, Lancadia Holdings. We will see the merger with GNOG by the end of September. If you guys like this video, please drop that like button down below. Make sure it turns blue. Also hit that subscribe button, as we are going to go over 2 other SPACs that I am currently invested in. That being FMCI, which I'll go more into that in the next video, and then SPAQ, which is another one, which will be the video after FMCI. So I guys hope again you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you leave your comments down below if you want me to go over any other stocks. I'll leave a link to in the description about my last video so you can see what I'm currently holding. Also, if you guys want a free stock, if you guys don't have Robinhood yet, use my link in the description. You get a free stock on Robinhood. It helps you out, it helps me out, and it will help this channel out more. So I want to thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!